Hi again everyone, this is the final video in the collection and this time we're going to look at how to approach example 2. Now the process is exactly the same as it was for example 1, but our focus here is on how you've developed your knowledge and skills about educational practice. So this could be new approaches to teaching or assessment or better understandings of how students learn. So we follow the same 4-stage structure as we did for your subject example in example 1, and the word counts are going to be exactly the same. So let's see how this might look. This example is based on a teacher who attended PD this year on rubric design. Press pause to just really read the reflection in full. Notice how the teacher clearly unpacks both what they learn at the session, but also how they applied it to their existing practice. Stage 2 is about how you apply your new knowledge to your teaching. So we're going to stay with the rubrics example throughout this whole example. Press pause and just read this submission. What we can see is how the teacher took what was learned in the session and applied it then to their practice. And they present the full process here, from the design of the rubric all the way through to using it as a marking and feedback tool. Now you'll remember from video 1 that the third question allows you more space, more words to reflect on the impact of your development. And again, you're going to need to consider impact from these 3 perspectives: student learning, student engagement, and student satisfaction. So here's the next stage in our rubrics example. There is a lot of information on this one, so please do pause to digest it. The teacher has reflected on student satisfaction through the survey results, student engagement through the reports of the feedback conversations they've had with the students, and they include some ideas for next steps. And finally, this question looks at how they share with their colleagues the practices that they've implemented. This closes the loop. So our teacher here has shared their development with both their direct team and the wider ColArts community, and they've already seen the impact of their great work on other people. Now you might not have that reach, or you might not have got to that stage in your story yet, but remember, you can flag up on this section if you would like the opportunity to share your work in the coming months. And that's it. Once you've completed that section, example 2 is ready to submit.